If you can't decline to whisper it to me, you're not going to make them hear.
Yeah, watch it.
You see one thing I watch.
No, I tell you something, I just decline for no reason.
You not give me no cash, no.
You know, I don't know. I only collect.
Okay, you see, and a chop. Have me information from the people then. People them. Thank you very much. Yaaman thing. Choppy line, you know? Under. Balaclava.
16,000.
Boy, this guy longer than me. No bother with that.
No, but Trevor, free note. And the bike shut off.
You know when my bike shut off?
Where shut off?
Because man not drive through slow through water.
Oh, so you
Because man start falling up to nothing, no bite no backfire. Man start bucking up.
I buck up on them and then I mix that river.
Why?
Man start bucking at time.
So what I'm going to do? Tap out yo. Let me hold your hand. Because she come and say, are you the stop? I say, no. Come here, let me see where I come from. See, they want to stop. I say, no, we buy him. Oh, he might come, man. He still come run. I wait for your forward down. Take your time up here.
The bomb man. What you man? You want the ice cream man?
Creamy?
Yeah.
One thing though, I don't know.
So what do we do now?
The clothes too clean.
Not joke, man.
Yo, if you cream me, I cream me. Every water bridge in my ref through.
The big pull of cream at the say, boy, I know about this. I'm saying,
Brother, every water I try drive too hard.
What do you say, man? Look at the bother, brother. If I'm big old mother, if I was splat for me, that's the problem.
Hey, listen, enough chance to get because when I tell them, you want they cut past me, you know. They didn't come here and cut past me. But run out behind them, you know. You look around so, and laugh. Listen, as long as you no crash, you no good. Yeah. How?
Dirty, bro.
How come Karen?
Big dome and all right. I want to see me picture them, you know, when I'm taking a dog.
In a ground. Big rubber.
I might be falling deep. 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 Tell me now.
We can't get a phone on this, right?
Unless you ever go to scale on river.
What the river we know about Spanish Bridge?
It's a breakfast, not lunch.
It's still here, it's still here. I thought I lost it. Anyway, guys, yes, welcome again to this property. Now, I must say, before we go further, history. Everybody got a tale to tell. Yeah, man, it's an ongoing story, I'm telling you. But I always say in life, listen to it all, and take what makes sense to you. All right, if it doesn't make sense, get rid of it, because you don't want to carry extra load on the brain, all right? Yep. That's too much garbage you don't want to carry, all right? But just listen to everybody's story, even on Google. Because, you know, on your social media, it's all made up things, okay? So while you're here, talk with the locals for my internationals, all right? And get a full rundown of our entire operation and our history of this island, okay, guys? Because, you know, in life, people always put things out there to suit their self, okay? I don't want to go down too deep there, I might get stuck, all right? Now, while you're videotaping me, please, so I don't want to go on TikTok and see myself, okay? I'm shy, all right?
No promises.
All right. So anyway, guys, this property goes way back. The name for it is Prospect. But before it was named Prospect Estate, it was a plantation. And when I say plantation, the first thing pops to the brain is?
Slavery.
Slavery, yes. But the actual word plantation really refers to is the vegetation of the land, what we used to grow here on this property. Sugar cane. All right, come on inside, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, stay right over there. Just want to show you guys something here. Now, years ago, we used to do a lot of worshiping here. Back in those days, but no more worshiping takes place. Those people, I'm telling you, they're slowly perishing. Yeah? Different generation, and these youngsters, they don't care about worshiping. Different mindset, you know what I mean, right? Yeah. Yes, but what they do inside here, a lot of weddings takes place. Prospect Chapel, you can always book it for your pocket. You got a lot of criticism, a lot of fight, because it stand up for people. Doesn't matter what color or nationality. Yeah, man. And when he died in 1983, he died. Lived to be 83 years old, all right? But as I was saying, sad to say she passed away at the age of 39 due to breast cancer. We make a plaque for her over here. She died in 1990. She was born in 1951, she died in 1990. That's her plaque in memory of her. Now the wife remains. Yes, and she missed her beloved. So therefore, she didn't last long. She died in 1992. And when she died, they make a plaque for her over there, Mary. Same name, but you get
Reach for the Plantation.
Don't say that out loud.
all right, everybody, welcome one and all. Great house of this estate. But just before we go in, guys, while Sir Harold Mitchell was here, he had a good friend of his. I don't know him that much, but I don't know. I never judge people which I had never met. You see in life, if somebody don't like you, they're going to speak bad things about you. Trying to get everybody together, go against you, right?
True.
So therefore, in life, let's not judge nobody, all right?
Right.
Yeah, man. So here, guys, this gentleman here was one of the men that also inspired Sir Harold Mitchell and tell him to carry on his duty and what he wants to do with these people, all right? Yeah, man, and the changes that he have made. His name is Sir Winston Churchill. And to tell you what, yes, he's inside, you know. I'm going to let you all meet him.
I'm good.
Mahogany.
You see,
Churchill is.
Over there is the restroom, guest restroom. You can look inside there. Stable.
That's fine.
Yeah, man. Come in, so everybody can come in. Shuck along so everybody can come in. I just want to show you guys something here is very important. This gentleman was asking me, come inside here, man. Yes, you were asking me, yes. Now you see this picture right here. When the British takes over the island, they started off with a governing body we call Governor General of this island. And this gentleman was the first one, Sir Basil Keith. And take a look at the date there. The date is very important. Way back in the 17th centuries. Yeah. Now, when they started off with that one, they also, right behind you, that picture, that's a courthouse It was built in Spanish. Here, the daughter Mary, when she was alive, still keeping it going. Over there is a cabinet of combs made out of fish shells. Yes. Yeah, man. Very sentimental to them combing their hair. Okay.
Put on the state them time.
Inside of here, the family tree. Okay.
Put on the state, man.
Now, all the setting, this is what was back in their time. All right.
You will have to estate? You will have to estate?
Yeah, but the back road, put the road.
Oh. Come on, say one hand there.
All right, over here now is a view of the side.
Yo, something more the picture, just look.
Here is the entire view of the ocean.
Go to the 4 feet.
But you're not cooking today.
Okay.
All right. You're just sightseeing.
Cannon, what that? We can go down?
Eh?
Can go down?
I give you 2 minutes to walk in the garden if anybody want to take a picture in the garden.
The
There was once a swimming pool.
The garden of Eden.
They do a lot of weddings here, guys. Okay? Right here, the nice reception.
Bocopina. Bocopina. Aquí.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So it looks like this. The bigger the tree grows, the bigger they get. So we'll pick it, cut it in half, put it in the clean out the seeds inside, put it in the sun to cure. And from that one we consume our food from. And also to carry our drinking water. Yeah, man. Yeah. So about them time we never have these are plates, okay? This was the thing, alright, calabash. Now in today now we have some people that still carry on this tradition. The Rastafarian, they still eat from this one, alright? Yeah, man. Now, if you go into the local craft market, you see the smaller ones. They use them to make purse, shaker, and stuff like that, alright?
No problem. I brought food. Guess where food comes from? No.
Two bird and dog.
What is that?
No man, one died and one killed one. Yeah, she never like people in her cage though, she just fuck him up. It was a butchie.
We say one die and one kill
So
one.
Cindy and Randy. So Cindy was the original. So I bought Randy one full yellow butchie. And Cindy just fuck him up. One day we just see him in the dead. So, but Cindy lived until she just, you know?
Yeah, I'm buying together, man.
Can't force them relationship. That's how we're going to end it, you know? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.